Hi there, welcome to Rockstar Vegan Recipes. Today we're going to be making delicious vegan chocolate chip pecan cookies. These are amazing cookies that you will want to bring to friends' houses, to potlucks, wherever you go. Okay, so for the vegan chocolate chip pecan cookies, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to create a flax egg. That is going to be the substitute for the one egg in the recipe. For the vegan flax egg, I have 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, and I'm going to pour in just short of 3 tablespoons of water. This is going to help bind the cookies together. I'm just going to let that sit while I create the rest of the recipe. Okay, next, I have half a cup of my homemade vegan butter. I've created a recipe and a video for this, which you can find on my YouTube page. If you don't have access to my vegan homemade butter, if you haven't yet made that, then you can substitute it with Earth Balance or another vegan margarine, preferably one without palm oil. I'm going to put that into a bowl, and now I'm going to add 1 cup of golden brown sugar. I'm going to cream that all together until it's nice and mixed. Okay, so the brown sugar and the homemade vegan butter are all mixed together. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of plant-based milk. I chose cashew milk. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And now I'm going to add that flax egg that I made earlier. It's congealed a little bit. That's what we want. Now we're gonna mix it all together until it's fully blended. That's about right. Okay, so to that mixture, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of just all-purpose flour. And I'm doing everything in the same bowl. Then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. And now I'm adding 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. So we're going to stir all of that together until it's mixed. Okay, we have it all mixed in now. This is what it's supposed to look like. And finally, what goes in are the pecans. This is half a cup of chopped pecans and 3/4 of a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. The brand that I always use is Coco Camino. They're fair trade, vegan chocolate chips. Okay, so now that the pecans and the chocolate chips are in there, we're just going to mix it all in. It's a pretty stiff batter, so it needs some muscle. Now I'm going to put a large tablespoon amount onto my cookie sheet. I have this great stoneware cookie sheet that I use that I've had for years and I absolutely love. These are now going to go into the oven. I've heated the oven up to 375 degrees and they'll go in and bake for about 11 minutes. Okay, the 11 minutes are up and I just took the cookies out of the oven. So 12 beautiful looking cookies, and I still have enough batter left for about 10 to 12 more. I'm just gonna let them cool and then give them a taste. Okay, so let's taste these. They look so good. Wow, These are rock star quality. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you really give this recipe a try and that you'll love them as much as I do. If you want more videos like this, then please subscribe and also like and comment. And I will be putting out weekly recipes, so please click on the little bell to be notified of when they come out. Thanks a lot, and may I have a
You ran out of
good day.
space.